Aim of the experiment to study the relation between the length of a given wire and tension for constant frequency using sonometer. The aim of the experiment to study the relation between the length of a given wire and tension for constant frequency using sonometer. The apparatus we are using sonometer along with hanger and slotted weights, a set of 6 tuning forks, meter scale, rubber pad, paper winder and bed box. So the theory and principle of this experiment, for the fundamental node, the frequency nu is given by relation 1 by 2L under root T by M, where M is mass per unit length and T is the tension in the string. अब इस सोनोमीटर की फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी के लिए हम लोग इसके दो केसेस करेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू द फर्स्ट केस. इफ T and M are kept constant, then T and M are constant, then frequency is proportional to 1 by L. Frequency and length both are multiplied and result will be get constant. इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए भी हम लोग डिफरेंट ट्यूनिंग फॉर्क लेकर के एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं. उसके बाद हम लोग इसका दूसरा केस लेते हैं. इन द सेकंड केस, इफ न्यू एंड एम आर कांस्टेंट, देन 1 by L under T equal to constant. It implies that L proportional to under T or L square proportional to T. जो हम लोग एक्सपेरिमेंट अभी करना है वो हमारा एक्सपेरिमेंट का ऑब्जेक्टिव है गिवन वायर एंड टेंशन फॉर कांस्टेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी यूजिंग सोनोमीटर. तो हमें क्या करना है, फ्रीक्वेंसी को कांस्टेंट रखना है. डी केस को हम लोग लेंगे और वहां पे मास ऑफ द वायर इज ऑलवेज कांस्टेंट, क्योंकि स्ट्रिंग जो हम लोग लेंगे वहां पर वो एक ही स्ट्रिंग पे हम लोग एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे. तो हम लोगों का जो ग्राफ बनाना होगा, L square proportional to T or T L square by T equal to constant. Okay, now we have to go for the experiment and apparatus. Sonometer along with hanger, slotted weights, each are 0.5 kilogram, a set of tuning fork of different frequency, 2 wedges, rubber pad, paper winder. हम लोगों ने 0.5 किलोग्राम वेट हैंग कर दिया स्ट्रिंग से. इस स्ट्रिंग के पास एक फ्रीक्वेंसी आ जाएगी बाय द फार्मूला 1 by 2L under root T by M, क्योंकि इसके पास मास है पर यूनिट लेंथ में. टेंशन हमारे स्क्वायर में आ चुका है. लेंथ इस स्ट्रिंग के पास है ही, एक फ्रीक्वेंसी ये जनरेट करेगा. और हम लोग एक ट्यूनिंग फॉर्क यूज करेंगे 256 हर्ट्ज का. वी आर पुटिंग 0.5 किलोग्राम वेट एंड पेपर राइडर ओवर द स्ट्रिंग. इस वेजेस को हम लोग एक फिक्स डिस्टेंस पर भी रखेंगे. अब देखते हैं कि पेपर राइडर में क्या वाइब्रेशंस होते हैं. ये अभी पेपर राइडर हमारा मैक्सिमम एम्पलीट्यूड में नहीं है रेजोनेंसी कंडीशन में. सो वी आर चेंजिंग द पोजीशन ऑफ द वेजेस. हम लोग वेजेस को थोड़ा पास ले आते हैं. अभी भी इसमें मैक्सिमम वाइब्रेशन नहीं है. वी हैव टू टेक wedges away from this paper rider. So now the reading is 42, 42 and 53. So the first reading for this 0.5 kilogram, 42 and 53, we have to take difference of 53 and 42, it will become 13. So frequency we are using our tuning fork 256 Hertz. And load of the mass hanger with 0.5 kilogram, 0.5 kilogram. So tension T equal to 0.5 into 9.8. So T equal to 0.5 into 9.8, it will become 4.9 Newton. And resonant length after subtracting from the 55 and 42, it will become 13 centimeter. For the second observation, we increases the 0.5 kilogram, 0.5 kilogram mass. So tension increases in this string. Now, after increasing the tension, length definitely should be increases, because L square equal to tension or L equal to under root T. When increasing the T, L will be increases. Suppose we put it at right now 42 and this is right now at, paper writer will get down. So now we have to note the reading. This will be 40. Now for second observation, load 1 kilogram, tension T equal to 1 into 9.8 Newton, resonating length, difference of two wedges, 57.8 minus 40, it will become 17.8 centimeter. Second reading, mass with the hanger is 1 kilogram and tension T equal to mg 1 into 9.8, it will become tension equal to 9.8 Newton, and difference 40 and 57.8, it will become 17.8 centimeter. Now we have to go for the third reading. For the third reading, we increases the mass again, and right now the mass will become 1.5 kilogram and tension also increases. When the tension increases, the length, resonating length also be increasing. So we have to increase the resonating length and wedges away from the paper rider. Now we have to take it and we have to check. Paper rider will get down. So now we have to note the reading. This will be 40. This will be 40 and this is 61.3. So resonating length 61.3 minus 40, it will become 21.3. Now we have to note the third reading, 1.5 kilogram. So tension 14.7 Newton, difference of the two wedges 21.3 centimeter. After getting the reading, we complete the table L square and Ty L square. After getting the observation table, now we have to draw the graph between the tension and square of the length. On y-axis we are taking the length square and x-axis, we have to take the tension. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 50 square of length, on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 Newton. We have to draw the point of L square and T. The first point 4.9 and 169, 4.9 and 169, this point, and the second point 9.316.84, this is the second point, and the third point 14.7 Newton and 453.69, this is the third point. When we join all the 3 points, this is a straight line, so the T by L square is a constant and L square proportional to the T. So result for a given frequency of 256 Hz, resonant length varies as square root of tension for a given frequency of vibration of a stretched string, that is L square proportional to T.